Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you 2 easy ways to clear your Run Dialog history in Windows, whether you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11. If you don't want others to see what you've typed in the Run box, this quick tutorial will help you wipe it clean in seconds. So, without wasting any time, let's begin! First, let's use the command prompt method, the fastest way to clear your Run history. Open the Start menu, search for command prompt, right-click it, and choose Run as administrator. You'll also find this command in the description box for quick access. Now, type or paste this command and press enter. This command deletes all entries stored in the Run dialog instantly. After you close the command prompt, press Windows+R again and you'll notice your Run box is completely empty. The second method clears your Run history along with File Explorer's recent files using Windows settings. Open File Explorer. Click the View tab or the 3 dots menu in Windows 11 and select Options. Under the General tab, you'll see a section called Privacy. Click the Clear button next to Clear File Explorer History. This also removes your Run dialog history since both share the same cache. And that's it! You've just learned 2 simple ways to clear the Run dialog history in Windows, one using a quick command and one through File Explorer settings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.